Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Chanel unboxing. Today I went to the fall winter preview event at my local Chanel boutique. This collection officially launches tomorrow as of the time I'm recording this. That's September 20th in the US. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this video up tonight in time for tomorrow, but we'll see, we'll try, we'll give it a go. So many things that I pre-ordered came in. I got to look at all the new bags. If you do not follow me on Instagram, go check me out on Instagram. I posted a video of some of the preview items that I saw there. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. It is kind of a big, we kind of got a lot going on here. And this is like heavy. I don't know. We have a heavy situation. Let me untangle these. Okay, so I'll start with the less exciting and build to most exciting. And you'll have to excuse my voice. I just came back from like a week of work travel and we are where we are. Okay, so this first item is kind of a big hint as to some other items that I ordered that aren't in yet, but it is a pair of Chanel jeans. They're really cute, just like basic sort of wide leg jeans with a little, there's a little gold CC button on the side. So just like a really basic jean, and the rivets have CCs on them. So like very subtle, but it's a part of the full look. It's a full look moment. And these had a really good fit. I'll see if I can insert a clip of me trying them on, but if not, head to Instagram where it is really easy to post outfit videos, and I'm posting videos all the time. So this is the first item that I picked up. I'm really excited about. So that's one, and those are like kind of heavy. These is heavy too. This I'm like so beyond thrilled. It is another look from the collection. So let me just get her out of the oven for you. It is a matching skirt and sweater set. So this was a look that went down the runway together with a belt. The belt that I ordered isn't in yet. Oh, sorry about the lighting. It's gonna be weird because it's like nighttime, but I couldn't wait. It's kind of like, it looks creamy, but it's actually funfetti colored. And there's really cute buttons on the sleeves with this like brocade sort of knit ribbon detail. It's really pretty and yummy and delicious, and I don't know, I just think it's like really cool. And then there's the matching skirt, which is like a little bit of a longer skirt, and it has white buttons on it. Oh, and a hair. So that is the other item I snagged. Oh, and it has like a little pattern down the back. I didn't realize. It has like a little, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like a little pattern down the back. I wonder if that's intentional. It must be, because it repeats. Cute. Oh yeah, so there's two. I see it now. So it's kind of like two stitches here and here. Like, I don't know what to call it. Two seams down the back. Can you see that on camera? I'm not sure if it's showing up on you. Oh, and it's also on the front. Oh, it's such a smart little detail. Look. I don't know if you can see it, where there's like a line here and a line here just to add a little bit more shape to this sweater skirt. It's really sweet. Okay, so the skirt, sorry, I'll do sizes. I took a 48 in the skirt and a 48 in the sweater, and then a 50 in the jeans. Okay, so that's the ready-to-wear that came so far. I have a couple more ready-to-wear pieces that haven't come yet. You know, sometimes it's exciting to have all your ready-to-wear that you order show up. And then other times it's a little bit scary because it's a lot of money all at the same time, but that's okay. I can be excited for this amount. Whew, heavy. All right, and that was that bag and that. And then I have one more item to share with you. Oh my gosh, there's fuzz from the sweater floating through the air. So here is the last item that I picked up. And this one has been a long time coming. So if you've been following me on my channel, you will know that this is something that I've been waiting for a really long time. Since last March when I first saw it. So, oh, I want you to see it because it's going to be a while before we have something like this again. You can probably tell it's a bag, and you guys know I've been on my, not purge, but my, I don't know, collection trimming journey. To reveal this little dust bag. Okay, okay, okay. So pretty wrapping. The sweetest team. Put this down. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, it's so good. You see? Oh, another. Oh my gosh, the way she did this was so pretty. Ta-da! Look at how stunning she is. This is the larger size Shearling bag. Wait till you see the inside. So cute. So full leather interior with one zip pocket. I love the CC up here. You can see the straps are sort of attached at the side. So there's like trim in the front, but it's full shearling in the back. So pretty. And then you can pull the strap through to make it long or wear it on your shoulder. So there's two sizes out of this bag this season. One is a much minier version. My friend got the mini version. The mini version is really, really cute, honestly. I prefer this size because I like the versatility of the straps where you could wear it on your shoulder or long. The mini, you can only wear it long. Like there's not two holes, there's only one hole. I guess you could technically wrap the strap around, but I don't really like that look. But this is my beautiful fluffy baby. She's so sweet, so cute. You can see around the CC, there is a little more brown trim. And she's just like the friggin' sweetest bag. This bag is pretty squishy. It's very lightweight. And I'm just so happy to have her in my collection. I think this will look great with like jeans and a t-shirt and a sweater. You guys know I did my color analysis and I am a warm autumn. And so I think this is a really good color for me too. Then my hair matches the bag. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's just, it's all there. She's so cute. And this is going to be my only bag purchase for a while. You guys know I'm trying to keep my collection really tight. And so I'm really excited to add this one to my collection. And with that, that is my very quick Chanel haul for you guys. This is like part one of my purchases for the fall winter collection. If you are getting anything from this collection, please share with me down below. I love hearing about what everyone picks out from, you know, the different Chanel collections. One of the joys of shopping at Chanel is that there's so many different items to choose from. And, you know, I have like lots of different friends that I've met through the boutique and stuff. And I think it's so fun that everyone kind of picks something a little bit different. You know, like not everyone has the same taste or the same approach to their collection. And I just think that that's one of the joys, is that with Chanel, you can have so many different styles, and I don't know, people all like different things. So let me know down below what your favorite item from this collection was. But otherwise, I will see you in my next video. I hope you're all having a really great day. Talk to you soon. Okay, bye.